humans, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're gonna be doing get ready with me to go to Fear Farm, and maybe like a mini vlog if I get any footage. I really hope I do because I think it would be really cool. This is my first time ever going to Fear Farm, so I'm very excited. So yeah, so we're gonna be getting ready. I'm gonna be doing a half skull makeup look. We're gonna just do it over this makeup look. Anyways, you guys should totally go follow me on my Instagram. It is down in the description below, and my TikTok, which I do post when I do any type of makeup looks. I do post on those two socials, so I would really appreciate it if you guys followed me over there. They're in the description below. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna pull up the video, the TikTok, because I saw one TikTok and I saw one reel. So I'm gonna pull up the video on TikTok so we can get to doing our half skull face. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this. I hope you guys can see it. We're gonna be doing that skull makeup look because it's different. So I'm gonna use this black one right here. Okay, so I'm in a little bit of a rush because my boyfriend is about to get here and I'm trying to finish before he gets here because I think I might do the same skull makeup look on him. I'm not sure. I'm gonna be looking over here because I have a mirror over here. Oh, this is too thick. Okay, so I think it's under the eyebrow. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do like the rough draft of it, basically the rough whatever, and then go back in later and fix it. Then she does like a line here in the middle. So I did a line here in the middle, and then she connects it up to over here, and then draws another line over here, and then she connects it to this one. It's not looking the best. Just a small line. You guys can't even see it. And then following our eyebrow shape, basically. It's okay, it's going great. It's so great. Anyways, okay, so she does like a little line here. It's like squiggles. And then she goes here. And then she does like a heart here. And then I think I'm gonna do the teeth with the liner. Anyways, I'm going to thicken the lines on this and then go in with my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner because it is not really dark enough, and then I'm gonna do like the little points and swigglies. So I'm just gonna make little tiny lines up here in the bottom to, I don't know, make them pop. I think I'm pretty much done. I just totally forgot to do my nose, so we're gonna do that real quick. I'm done with my nose. Oh, this turned out so freaking good. I'm not even done actually. I forgot my teeth. I think I'm just gonna keep them here on the side. I don't think I'm gonna keep them because like going up on my lip like she did. Because I have gloss and I feel like they're just gonna smudge off. So I'm just gonna do the teeth. Here it is with my hair down. This side is bothering me. I usually put my hair behind my ear on that side, so my hair's kind of messed up on that side, but I think it turned out really good. And it's very simple. It's not that difficult. It really isn't. I was just in a rush, so I was kind of making it difficult myself. So that is pretty much it. I'm pretty sure this is a very short video from what I can tell from me just doing this makeup look. It was very easy and it wasn't really in-depth. I'll see you guys when I'm at Fear Farm, and yeah.
I don't like this. I think we should. Dude, that's an actor.
Wait, what?
That's an actor in front of us right there. Oh no, it's not. It's just a girl. This girl wearing all black.
Is it like an actual maze?
Oh my god, no way is it an actual.
Oh my god, it's an actual maze. Are we just following that?
I don't know. You wanna go somewhere? Okay, let's go straight.
Okay.
Dude, what if we can never get out?
Shut the fuck up. We can just go straight in the cord. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. You wanna go through? Oh, fuck, they scared me the most.
No, I haven't seen you that scared all day.
I know, cause I'm like, dude, cause I heard little noises, like little footsteps. So I just came back home. It is 11:27 right now, and I'm about to take all my makeup off. It was so much fun. There's like these haunted houses and everything. I tried my best recording them, but you can't really record, so it's really mostly dark. But I tried my best to record, so I hope what I recorded was good enough for you guys. I'm about to take off this makeup. Alright, so let's go get on ready. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna take off my makeup. First, I'm sorry if it's really echoey. Sorry if it's very echoey. I'm in my bathroom, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna use makeup wipes and take off my eyelashes, my makeup, and then I'll wash my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. I don't know. I was gifted this, so yeah. This is how it looks like. It's so you can't even see the letters anymore. It's pretty much like gone. But I'm gonna wipe my face and put this on my face, and then use my brush to wash. Once I am done washing my face, I'll go in with this lotion, which is for it's a dry skin cream. It works great for me, so okay, so here I'm just telling you guys about the lotion that I use, which is a very moisturizing moisturizer because my skin is very dry. The reason I'm doing this whole voiceover is because my phone completely died on me and I wasn't able to do an outro. So yeah, which is just fantastic. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I know I didn't record much as a vlog. One, I couldn't record in the haunted houses. I tried my best, and so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Go follow my Instagram. The photos are in my Instagram in the description below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and bye.